The second example is about cost of debt. We introduced the yield function in this chapter to calculate the yield for the existing bond. Let's look at this example. We have this company issue a 30-year 7% bond 80 years ago. That means this bond has 22 years to maturity. The bond is currently selling for 96% of its face value. What is its cost debt? For the yield function, we need to first enter two dates, the settlement date and the maturity date. For the settlement date, we will use today's date as the settlement date. The maturity date will be 20 years from today. Here we will use the date function. For the year, it will be today's year plus 22. Okay, 22 years after today. The months will be the same month of today's date. Day is also the same day of today. Okay. This is the two Excel function we use to establish the settlement and maturity. In reality, we probably have these two dates stated in the contract, and we can enter date directly. The third item we need to input is the price. Notice here for the yield function, the price is the percentage of the par value or the face value. It's not the exact price. We need to get the percentage. In the question, we are giving 96. The redemption for the par value or the face value after it's due, when the bond is due, we will get the redemption value is 1,000. But as the percentage, we will get 100% of the par value. The coupon rate given here is 7 payments per year. That means how many payments per year? Here we have annual payment. Tax rate, we will apply the 21% as the tax rate. Here we apply the yield function first to calculate the cost of debt. The settlement maturity, the rate is the coupon rate. Price, apply the yield function, we have the cost debt for this company is 7.37%. When we calculate the WACC, we need to consider the tax rate. If the question asks about the after-tax cost debt, we need to use the estimate we just calculated times the 1 minus tax rate. Because the interest payments has the tax deductible advantage, we need to include the impact of the tax.